Welcome back to Aquatics Live YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and all that jazz. That's my normal get up and go there. Hey guys, so anyway, I got a YouTube play button. I'm super excited about this part of it. I'm gonna open this up on camera here in a bit, so that'll be kind of cool. I'll do my best of showing you it, and we'll kind of go over it. But I got a few things to talk about real quick. Just to thank everybody, and essentially my channel started out in 2008, so that's a super long time ago. I'm like to finally grow to where I'm at, and I gotta talk about like one little trick that I did that maybe help other folks. So just stay in here and let me explain this a bit. So don't jump away, come on. One thing I learned is you have the YouTube shorts going on. You know, everybody can use those. It's pretty easy. Now, you may not get like a ton of watch time, a ton of views, a ton of this, whatever. You're gonna get some more people watching them than you would normally do. And then there's another trick to that is that I utilized on all of my videos is that you can go into the settings and there's this thing that you can pick out different countries. So that is my deal is, don't be so secluded to think about like only in the USA. There's other people out around the world, and my videos kind of sparked up interest in other countries once I turned on to let them view them. And there's like in there for country settings to like dub the videos. So it'll actually add some audio for them. So that really gained me like an instant boost that I don't know if many people actually tinker around and check that out. So I wanted to share that, spend some time in the settings, think about other countries when you're making a video. And I think it'll do at least some of the smaller channels that just they don't care. It has to be all around and they're, you know, around by them. They just want some people to watch their content. That's where I was at. I'm like, okay, I really want to just kind of share things. So I figured, well, let me see what I can do, and I did some adjusting, and yeah, that's where we got here, guys. So I'm pretty excited. All right, so some stuff coming up here. Well, first I'll just mention like one of the big things in my channel was the DJI Neo 2. I didn't expect that, and personally, this is like just my fun little fly around the house jig setup deal. So. It's like personally, I just fly it around for fun. But I did notice that there was folks out there like that were doing tinkering and stuff like me. And I know how to do battery modding and stuff. So that's how that all came into play with the battery mods on these. And yeah, I'm not gonna like do arts and flying and cool, you know, I'll try to do stuff like that maybe, but I'm more in the techie side, so that's kind of where I'm at with all this. So anyway, there is a new video coming for that, and I got this called the VFly deal. These are the Neo 2 beams. They're like little headlights you mount on the Neo 2. So I'm going to be working on a video for that here soon, but you know, whatever. But I'll let you know. It's kind of like it's like it's supposed to be a little bit better in going along faster since it kind of shoots the light out further from the drone. So that's I'm gonna give it a shot anyway and see. Something else I'm working on is I want to set up a Home Assistant, which is like a little deal that it's you can install it on like this is like the free way to do it. You can install it on a Raspberry Pi. I ended up just buying a new Pi since I tested it out, but I have like a broken one, or you know, a Pi that has like no Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on it, you know. So I got it working. I was kind of happy with what it set up, but I want to get it set up on one, and I'm going to kind of share my truck build, which is probably something nobody's ever done, and that's like I got like a little GPS to go with it, so that makes it like a mobile setup, and there's like way more in it than I thought. I guess this thing, you know, I was kind of going it alone, doing my own little builds and stuff, but now it's time to just try out something that there's been a community working on anyway. So yeah, that's all that stuff. All right, let's go to the unboxing of this thing, and let's show you what it looks like and everything. Hey. All right, let's open this baby up, eh? Yeah, anyway, we'll cut her open and we'll see here. Got my stuff covered up, so can't get my address here, guys. Anyway. All right. Woo! Little foam thing. It's the Society Awards. Yeah, these coming from this like company called Society Awards. Anyway, I think everybody's seen this letter. It's like from your 1,000th subscriber to your 100,000s. You gotta remember, definitely remember this on the 100,000s. All right, guys. Look at that, man. Aquatics Live Tech and Travel passing 100,000 subscribers. Wow, that's freaking crazy, huh? Never thought my channel would ever do that. I've deleted videos so many times. It's been nuts. This is pretty cool. I'm so glad to get this YouTube play button. Kind of means something a little extra to me, but I'm not gonna grow out of my britches here, guys. So don't worry about it. Yeah, that's pretty cool, guys. So, all right, one more little thing, hey. Not that I'm so, this isn't like sponsored or anything by the Dubby thing, but I'm just starting to get the Dubby drinks or whatever, and I want to kind of point it out. So, like, if you guys do like drink mixes and stuff, I've been in this like craze to kind of lose a little bit of weight, and I got my exercise bike, working on my legs and my knees to get out and about. And one of the things is like I just kind of need a little bit extra, but like I don't want to be drinking the Red Bulls and the Rock Stars and all that. So like I just get like iced tea drink mixes and stuff like that. But I was looking around for some like vitamin drink mixes and stuff like that. And like Dubby's got this like little deal. So I've been trying these. They got like so many cool little flavors. So I wanted to mention it. It's pretty cool. I did get like, I did find like a discount link thing, and I'm going to throw it in the description. But you don't worry about it. I just like figured I'd mention it in case you guys were in my exercise bike video. And yeah, it's kind of like my new little thing. I love the Dubby deal. They got some really cool cups. I got like a Chainsaw Man cup, and I got this one now. So yeah, it's pretty sweet setup. So just to throw that in the video too. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Take care over there, and catch you in a few, guys.